November 23rd, Saint Clement I of Rome, Pope and Martyr. Saint Clement is a Roman of noble birth, the son of the senator Faustinian. St. Paul speaks of him in his epistle to the Philippians, chapter 4, assuring that Clement had worked with him in the ministry of the gospel, and that his name was written in the book of life. Later, St. Clement was consecrated bishop by St. Peter himself. He succeeded in the supreme office to St. Linus, the immediate successor to St. Peter, and the Liber Pontificals says that he reigned 9 years, 2 months, and 10 days. The words of the apostles were still resounding in his ears when he began to rule the Church of God. He was among the first, as he was among the most illustrious in the long line of those who have held the place of power of Peter. Living at the same time and in the same city as Domitian, persecutor of the Church, and having to face not only external foes, but to contend with schism and rebellion from within, his days were not tranquil. The Corinthian church was torn by intense strife, and its members were defying the authority of their clergy. It was then that Clement intervened in the plenitude of his apostolic authority and sent his famous epistle to the Corinthians. He reminded them of the duties of charity and above all of submission to the clergy. He did not speak in vain. Peace and order were restored. St. Clement had done his work on earth, and shortly after sealed with his blood the faith which he had learned from Peter and taught to the nations. St. Clement is named in the canon of the Mass, and is accounted the first of those early writers who are called the Apostolic Fathers, because they came under the direct or very close influence of the apostles of our Lord. St. Clement I is a patron saint of boatmen, marble workers, mariners, sailors, sick children, stone cutters, watermen, and more. He is often represented with an anchor.